So this is going to be a sound comparison between 45 gram domes and a Novatouch with a Norbar case and a KUL with Cherry MX clears. So these are double shot ABS keycaps, and these are also double shot ABS keycaps. These are much thicker because they're from GMK. These are just some cheap little ones, but they're not bad. This does have a PVT spacebar though. So here is the typing test for the Novatouch. Okay, there's the Novatouch, and I'll be back in one moment. So here's the typing test for the KUL. As you're about to see, they sound very different. There we go. As I said in the video where I just did the typing test for the KUL, I plan on taking this board apart and ergo modding it. If there's anything else you want to see, or if you want to see some cheaper boards, let me know. I've been spending way too much money on higher end keyboards and I need to dial it back a little bit.